2016 it looks like, and we're having issues with torque. So here's the problem with these new treadmills. They look very nice, they have a lot of features, but something is fundamentally a problem. So the first thing we notice here, there's no transformer. So there's this board, this electronic board right here, and there's the motor. Right, this is the incline motor, and this is the drive motor. Okay, so no matter how you look at it, there is no transformer. What does the transformer do? It gives the machine more power, and so when you build these treadmills without transformers, then these are lower quality and they do not put out the amount of power they're supposed to. This is a new belt that we have to be replacing because the machine is not able to pull with just a little bit of friction. Also notice the control board. Alright, so there's one capacitor here. If you look carefully, you see there's space for two. Right? But they did not put the other one in. So the machine has less power because of that. So simple things that can cause the machine to have less power.